This is a great question. Okay, so these are my personal opinions on Loligals and Glitzy Wonderland, so take it with a grain of salt, but just so you know, both of these are a reliable source to get Lolita at. Let's start off with Glitzy Wonderland, which is a Lolita reseller. Like I said, it is totally reliable. Something important to know about Glitzy is that their shipping prices are in their products. They offer free shipping, so they mark up their products to accommodate for that. For me personally, I think that Glitzy has a very high markup, and I understand that it is because of shipping. So if I were to order from Glitzy, which I'm planning on ordering a couple blouses from them to review, I would just get 1 or 2 items because that built-in shipping cost really adds up. If you were to go to another Lolita reseller like 42 Lolita, they're just going to have one price for shipping, and then those items are going to be at a lower markup. Hopefully that makes sense, but let's take a look. Okay, so this is a tiny garden skirt on Glitzy, and you can see it is $50, and that is a high markup because they offer free shipping. This is 42 Lolita, my love, and you can see it is $23. They do not offer free shipping. Shipping is included at the end. I hope that makes a little bit more sense about their markup and why Glitzy has a higher markup. Now for Loligals. I absolutely love Loligals. I have ordered so much stuff from them, like this cute hat, and honestly, I think they're super convenient and easy to use, especially if you're a beginner with limited resources, since a lot of people are very familiar with AliExpress. But I would stick to Loligals and Loligals only if you're looking for Lolita on AliExpress. Unless you're looking for shoes, then you can dip into Honey Cherry, but try to stay away from other AliExpress stores selling Lolita because they might be replicas, but Loligals is completely safe. Also, I'm just going to include a shameless plug at the end, but I am partnered with 42 Lolita, so I may be biased, but I honestly think their customer service is so kind and their markup is really fair. So if you do want to order from 42 Lolita, I have a discount code, which is I_forgot_reality. It's my username, and it can get you 3% off. But yeah,